A classy, chill casino. Welcome everyone on this Vegas NOLA Man. A tour of Park MGM, including the King Room, pool area, casino, and Eataly. Starting off with a look inside the lobby at Park MGM. Here you will find the Primrose Lobby Bar and Primrose. Primrose offers brunch in a French cafe atmosphere. Anchored to the ceiling is an enormous root sculptured by Brazilian artist Henrique Oliveira. There is also an essential store called Shop, and the corner store offering apparel, swimwear, leather goods, and Shinola watches. Exit left from the lobby area to get to the pool area. I have a look at the pool area coming up in the video. Continue going past the pool area down the long hallway to get to the tram platform. From here, you will be able to board the free tram, the Aria Express. The Aria Express will make it easier for you to get to the shops at Crystals, Aria, and Bellagio. Check out my Aria Express video. I put a link in the description box below. Now turning right from the lobby and heading towards the casino floor. Night Up offers exclusive Golden Knights merchandise. A convenient place to grab some swag if you're on your way to a game at T-Mobile Arena. For those of you who love Starbucks, there is a Starbucks, but you may want to hold off because inside Eataly there's really amazing coffee and pastries available. At the end of the hall, as you enter the casino, there is the high-limit slots and table areas. Next up on the casino floor is the contemporary and elegant West Bar. Park MGM offers a 102,000 square foot casino that supports 1,400 slot machines, 60 table games, and 15 poker tables. This property was formerly the Monte Carlo Resort and Casino and was converted into Park MGM in 2018. The first smoke-free casino in Las Vegas. Now walking along the north side of the casino floor and heading towards Eataly. Here is Bavette's Steakhouse and Bar, a Chicago-style steakhouse with French flair. And next is Juniper Cocktail Lounge, home of the largest collection of gin in Las Vegas. Tucked in behind the sportsbook is Side Betty Grill, serving up fan food favorites including nachos, burgers, and wings. And at Bet MGM Sportsbook and Bar, you can grab a drink, enjoy the game in a smoke-free environment. On the Record is a record store themed speakeasy and nightclub with indoor and outdoor spaces. Next up is Mama Rabbit Mezcal and Tequila Bar, featuring Las Vegas's largest agave-based spirit selection from Mexico. And here is Best Friend, a Korean barbecue joint based on LA's Koreatown. And here is Eataly, the largest Italian marketplace with restaurants in the world. The 40,000 square foot space is comprised of more than a dozen authentic Italian eateries and hundreds of high-quality products. Here is Cafe Milano, a high-end yet approachable bar offering Italian cocktails, regional wine, beer, and spirits. Where's the beef? Well, it's at La Macelleria Butcher and Kitchen, offering a premium selection of meat that you can take home or have prepared right before your eyes. The Fever Tree Bar features cocktails made with the premium tonics and mixers of the same name. The Pesceria Fishmonger and Kitchen offers a selection of small plates and daily catches. If you're looking for an option with table service, here's La Pizza La Pasta. You can enjoy a seasonal selection of freshly made pizza and pasta dishes. Here's Italian street food. At Italian street food, each counter offers a different type of Italian street food. One side for panini, one side for rotisserie, and another side for fried. La Salumeria offers a variety of Italy's best cured meats and cheeses. And La Pizzeria serves Roman-style gourmet pizza by the slice. At La Pasta Fresca, they make the pasta fresh right before your eyes. And continuing on to where the strip entrance is for Park MGM, this is where you'll find the Eataly Market and Wine Shop area. Here you'll find a vast selection of imported wine, high-quality Italian goods, and delicacies. It is here you will find the awesome coffee and pastry option that I mentioned earlier. Here's Cafe Lavazza, Italy's favorite coffee, open daily at 7 a.m. Be sure to pair that up with something from La Patisserie, an authentic Italian bakery, featuring Italian pastries, cakes, and gelati that are as beautiful as they are delicious. There is also counters for gelato, Italian cannolis, and crepes. And Vinci Italian Chocolates features a large array of artisan Italian chocolates hailing from traditional recipes. Now exiting Eataly and walking along the south side of the casino floor. Lala Noodle serves Pan-Asian cuisine featuring lo mein, Singapore style, and don don noodles. And if you exit to the left here, it'll take you to the park, which is nestled between Park MGM and New York, New York. The park is a great place to relax and chill away from the hustle and buzz of the Las Vegas Strip. And here's House of Gaga, an ever-changing experience featuring Lady Gaga's most iconic fashion pieces from her personal vault. In October 2021, the Park Theater was rebranded as Dolby Live, and the 5,200-seat theater has been updated with the breathtaking Dolby Atmos sound system. Next is a small essentials store. Next is the MGM Rewards Desk. Here you can get your player's card and earn rewards for hotel stays, dining, slots, table games. This is also where you go to redeem rewards from My Vegas Games. Next is the ticket office and Nomad Bar and Nomad Library. At Nomad Library, communal courses are served in a soaring space inspired by the iconic library of Nomad, New York. The pool area at Park MGM has 3 pools and 2 bars. And they keep one pool open and heated year-round. And even though this isn't the largest or most extravagant themed pool area in Las Vegas, the sound system and the poolside drink service here is perfect. Just the best. If you like a little quality pool time, you're going to love it here. The standard Park MGM King Room measures at 406 square feet. It comes with a cozy alcove bed with built-in bedside outlets for your phone or computer, and a sofa-sized window seat, large cocktail table, and a comfy leather chair. And a curated art program from Le Studio Bapauls. The bathrooms are a little small, but they're very nice and they have a modern walk-in shower. The bathroom and closet share a sliding door. Inside the closet there's an ironing board, safe, and a dresser. This room came with a park view with T-Mobile Arena and New York, New York in the background. Hey, like what I'm doing, show support and hit that super thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee or become a channel member and receive access to exclusive content. I put a link in the description box below. Support my channel by subscribing. It's free. Tap the center icon now to subscribe, and you will receive notifications on future videos.